speaking. How I assist you?
Alright, good afternoon. I'm Sabia.
Alright. Miss Sabia, may I know room number please?
Okay, my room number is 124. I would like to go the Hidayah.
How long will you use the hair dryer, miss?
Alright, so for the Hidayah, I will use until I get checked out from this hotel. This for tonight.
Alright. Is there anything else?
Shall I pay for it?
No, you should not. It's free of charge, miss. You can borrow during until you stay at the hotel.
Alright, that's good. Thank you.
You're welcome, miss. May I request your order, please? Well, Miss Sabia, your room number is 124. You ordered the hair dryer for tonight. Is that right, miss?
Yes, that's right. I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day, miss. Bye.
Bye, you too.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping, please.
Bukan.
Excuse me, miss. Here you are, the hair dryer. Your request, miss. May I set up this hair dryer, miss? Alright, miss. Please wait a minute.